Hi, I'm Donovan. This is the second video to part one of the Trigonometry Unit 7 project. How you get these points on this unit circle is for the x-coordinate, you would use the radius times the cosine of the reference angle that you have. So to get this one right here, you would do the radius, which is 1, times cosine of 15, and then you would get this value right here. To get the y value, you would do the same thing, but instead of a cosine, you would use sine. So you do the radius, which is 1, times the sine of 15, which would give you 0.259. Then you do the same thing with 165, so you get negative 0.9, positive 2.2, and then the same thing with 195 and 345. Reference angles help you find these points because they help you lay out which quadrant it will be in. Because in quadrant 1, both numbers are positive, but in quadrant 3, both of them are negative, and you wouldn't know that without the reference angle. So with 15, they're both positive because it's in quadrant 1, but with 195, since it's in quadrant 3, they're both going to be negative numbers. That's why they both have a negative number there. 165 will have a negative x value but a positive y value, and 345 will have a positive x value but a negative y value. How you find reference angles is you take, for the one in quadrant 1, it's just the angle that you have. For the one in quadrant 2, you would take 180 and subtract your angle. So you take 180 and subtract 15, that gets you 165. For the quadrant 3, you take 180 and add 15, that gets you 195. And for quadrant 4, you take 360 and subtract 15, which gets you 345.